Hi there, this is a quick look at the LG TV. The picture quality is excellent, and I just wanted to cover off the interface that you get. You get a LG Smart Remote, which is a one-light remote, and as you can see you get a cursor on the screen, which is really good. It comes preloaded with some apps, things like Netflix, Love Film, YouTube, Blinkbox, all these kind of things. Some of these you'll need a subscription for. But you can also make use of a NAS drive if you have a NAS drive, or you can connect to your PC for streaming. This is a 3D TV, and it does have a 3D portal allowing you to fire up some content. Some of it's free, some of it not so much, and then it does have a load of extra bits and pieces you may or may not use, some games and what have you. It's really quick and easy to navigate around with this smart mouse, and once you've gotten the hang of it, you'll never want to go back. So the actual remote you get is really nice. It fits well in the hand. It's a simple Wii-like remote if you ever used the Wii. It does have usual buttons on there, button for 3D, volume up, down, and if you've got this plugged into an external amp, this will control the volume on your amp as well, and the TV can be programmed to control things like your TiVo or Sky Plus box. So generally this is the only remote you'll need to use in a lot of cases. Design wise, you can see it's very thin bezel. It's on a stand, nice stand that rotates, giving you ease of movement to adjust the angle, and as you can see it gives you a lot of room behind it to hide a lot of cables, wires, speakers and what have you. Okay, so around the back we've got 3 HDMI outs and 3 USBs. One of the USBs acts as a hard disk for the TV, which you can plug in a hard drive and use it almost like a Sky Plus or TiVo to record programs. And one of the HDMIs acts as an active signal carrier, so that can be to switch on external bits and pieces, amps or TiVos or whatever. And you've got an array of connections on the back, wired network for all your streaming, optical out, SCART, aerials in, all sorts. It's basically got everything you could possibly need to plug things into this. Dual play, which basically allows two people to get full screen on one telly. So here you can see it's Halo. I'm just going to activate the dual play now. It's just very simple. Just click it, select the dual play, and as you can see, there are now two images overlaid as one. Now this is the amazing part. You wear the glasses. There's one image,